good morning. Welcome to our second session of Building Tots. Today we're going to use Mega Blocks to talk about different math and literacy activities that you can do at home with your child. Depending on what their level is, there should be something here for almost everybody. What I did was I actually put clear tape on these and wrote on it with the permanent marker. If you're okay with writing on your blocks, you can do that, but I wanted it to be temporary, so I just used tape. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and put numbers on the blocks based on how many pegs they have. This has 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a good way to practice counting and recognizing numbers. And they can also be stacked. You can, I didn't make an example, but you could do patterns if you want to practice counting by 2s or practice counting by 5s. Even just using the single blocks, you can make patterns with them and numbers. Here I did an addition problem. We have 1, and then I used the short one to make an addition, plus 1 equals 2. And I went ahead and put the numbers based on how many pegs they are. But of course, if you wanted to use larger numbers, more than 4, then you're going to maybe want to just use the simple ones for each number. Right here, we are recognizing the number 5, the word 5, and then I have in the middle here some dots, so they can count the dots and match them up. So what I would do with this is work on a couple numbers and have them mixed up and work with your child to make the towers all have the right numbers. And over here, I have literacy. Here is sight words. So you would go ahead and give your child my and have them find the letters to make that word. 3- and 4-year-olds love to learn their sight words. There's plenty of songs you can help them learn them, but sight words are words, simple words that preschoolers and kindergartners learn just by a glance. They don't have to spell it out. They just look at it and they know it. And over here for your elementary students, I have contractions. So on the top, I went ahead and put the contraction together, and separate are the words that you use to make that contraction. Here is you, which is made of you have, and isn't, which is made of is not. So that's a good way to work on that skill with your older children. So I hope you found something here that is helpful to you, and if you have other ideas, feel free to share them in the comments. That way other people can use them as well. Bye!